Hello students. So welcome to the next session of Excel, and this is the practice session. So it will be a fast practice for our previously learned all the skills. So in this particular week we have learned about basic formatting. So quickly we are going to open our Excel software. So I will search here in my laptop about Excel and I will open my Excel software. I request all students that you should also open the Excel software along with me so we can start the practice. So first of all, before opening the software, I would like to go and download a dataset. So imagine that you have opened Google Chrome, you have written here open data, okay, open data, government India, and you visited this website. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to download a fresh data in front of you for practice. See, here I will type, means click on view more, then any data I am going to download. I have shown you example of this, how to download, and I have taken an example for Excel practice for this data. Now imagine, let us take a different data. Okay, see ambulance data. Okay, here is the data set. I clicked on that download button. I will click on download button. Non-commercial academic, I will click on and enter my all the details. I will write down this code RJRGAKWN and I will click on download. Once I click on download, now automatically the file should get download. I will store this file. Okay, and similarly I can download more files. So first of all I will download other files also. Okay, and then for practice I will start that. Today we have to practice on 10 different data sets. Okay, so this is the ambulance data. Then second, crime analytics we do not want. uh, this data we will download. Any data you can download. Okay, it is no issues with that. You can download from different website also. I am just showing you the example. That is why I'm using only one website. You can use any website. If you know, if you don't know, you can follow my instructions. M9KM8H. Students are messaging me asking me, sir, why we are doing this. So let me tell you, we are doing this to first of all download 10 to 15 files. Then we will start doing the formatting for all the files. Okay, start doing formatting for all the files. There is some error in this, so I will just go backside. I cannot download this file. No issues. We will download something different. Okay, you can click from here also. See here, fair shop, fair price shop, something it is written. I have clicked on that. So basically I am going to download 10 different data set for practice. Now if you are my student of Excel batch, advanced Excel batch, or if you are student of data science, digital marketing, not sorry digital marketing, data science, business analytics, okay, where data is important, so you can download this data for free. Okay, now this is not a live project. Students who have already seen live project or who have enrolled, who have purchased my live projects, so they will get some data set from our client also. Don't worry about that. Now film city booking portal of Mumbai, I guess it might be of Mumbai, so I'm downloading this also. Interesting data set. Okay, so yes, Goregaon film city, very nice data set for analysis and Excel practice. So I'm just filling my all the details very fast. I have downloaded only two files, yet to download more files. Okay, I'm going to download more files. Now do not download same files which I am telling to you. It is not compulsory. You can download same file which I am showing, but it is not compulsory. If student think, you can download any different files also. Don't worry about that. Okay, so Now I will go again for different data. Again, I will click on download, fill the data set, fill all my details. Once I have filled all the details, then I will enter the code, and then I will click on download. So 3 plus 4, now 4 data sets have been downloaded. Then now again fifth data set I need to download. Okay, it's opening, so I will just wait. It will take some time. Again, same process repeat. Fill your details and enter the code which is shown here. Once entered, click on download button. If the code is valid, the file will get downloaded. Again, press on back button. Coming back again to the page. Now again, just going to any random data set. Click on download button. Enter all your details. So if there is no any code, that means my internet is working little slow, and we'll just wait for 2 minutes, or I can refresh the page. Okay, again one time I will click on download. If this is not shown, yes, now it is shown. So non-commercial, all the details, and now let us enter our code. Click on download button. The file will start downloading. If there is no any error, the file will get downloaded. You can save that file for your practice. Again, 5 6 data set I will download, and then we will start our practice. So I'm just entering all my details here. You can enter your details. Now I have clicked on download button and file is getting downloaded. Okay, the file is downloaded successfully. Similarly, now I have other data also. So I will click on that data, press on download button, fill my details, give my phone number, enter the code. This is the most important step. So people might think, why we are practicing, sir, for 10 different data, 15 different data, why we are practicing. So it is simple. If you practice more, then only you will remember the things. This is what we follow. And in this way, we have collected lot of data sets, so we can start practicing all this. So now in the next video, I'm going to show you that whatever data we have downloaded on that data set, we have to start basic formatting. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.